there, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Welcome to my channel once more. This is my review for today. If you are looking to make money online, on my channel, I review and promote cloud-based products, IT products, and anything basically that is going to help you make money online. Today, I have yet another wonderful, I guess, software that is called Venus. Venus is going live on the 26th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And in a nutshell, like I said, it's going live, being launched by Mbadiwe, the super affiliate, and his partners. And then, of course, in a nutshell, it's one software that is going to help you create ebooks that you can sell on Amazon. It says, actually, if you follow me, that it's a push button application that legally rates Amazon and pays $34.98 every 24 hours on autopilot without any technical skills, experience, or upfront costs. So this is basically what the creator Mbadiwe is saying, and if as such, creating ebooks on Amazon for sale on Kindle ebooks and the rest of the other platforms is your desire, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area to get a copy for yourself. And with that said, if you stick with me, I will definitely take you to the amazing bonuses that I have here, and of course show you also the very dashboard area of this very instrument. And now let us actually take a look at this. If you come to if you click the link below in my description area, definitely it will bring you to my bonus page where you can grab a copy of this product using this link here or any of the other orange links scattered all over this bonus page. Now let us get into this business of reviewing Venus together. It's a push button application that legally rates Amazon, like I told you before. Without any skills, you can make $34.98 on every 24 hours, according to him, on autopilot. How true that is, I cannot tell you unless, of course, you try it. It says it makes them 100% passive income, be up and running in 60 seconds, legally rates Amazon, and of course no physical products needed, works for literally anyone, and it has started that 365-day money back guarantee. And of course, if that is true, we cannot know until you actually go and test it. I've gone through the dashboard area, and I can tell you it's very well structured, in a sense that it's very good to understand when you go through the trainings. And of course, that will be left for you to decide if this is going to be for you. But of course, if it's going to be, just use the link below in my description area. But let us actually go into the pricing now. The front end price goes for $17, but it has on the very sales page this discount opportunity for $4, which will pop up eventually. When you get here on the sales page, you will find a coupon pop up that is going to give you $4 discount, and that is about $13 at the end of the day. Okay, and it gives you access to this very powerful dashboard area of this product. Now, upsell number one will be the Venus Unlimited Edition, which goes for $97, and this is going to cover whatever shortcomings you have with the front end. If there are limitations, definitely this very one is going to cover that. And now, upsell number two, it's always advisable to get also the unlimited version of any front end of any digital product like this one, Venus. Now here you have upsell number two, which is done for you. It goes for $297, and in this upgrade, their team will set up the software for you, for your customers. And of course, upsell number three will be autopilot edition of Venus, which goes for $39. Your customers will be able to activate all the automation tools within Venus. And upsell number four will be 200 done for you campaigns edition, which goes for $39, and your customers will be getting 200 done for you proven money making campaigns that have made them actually $50,000. And option number 5 will be the franchise edition for Venus, which goes for $197. Here your customers will be bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on how to promote the funnel to make sales. That's basically what you have there, as long as the benefits and of course the pricing are concerned. These are the benefits which I have already read to you. And now let us take a look at my Venus wonderful bonuses that I have lined up for you. I have another bonus that I'm going to show you, which is exactly this. So it is loaded with bonuses for you. Now my first bonus for this very page of my bonus is 17. It's called access to product vault, which gives you 17 amazing bonuses, 17 different software and training courses bonuses, which of course these are still products that are still selling on Warrior+ and sometimes JVZoo, which you have exclusively for yourself free of charge. Now 17 in 1. And my bonus number 2 will be 3 monetization strategies for your websites, for your YouTube channel, if you need to monetize it in order to get paid. And then of course CPA offers and all that. So this is going to help you strategically monetize such things that needs monetization on your own site. So it's basically a very good one for you. My bonus number 3 will be daily profit success, and that's what you have, a software and training course that is going to train you how to actually make money with this daily profit success. Now my bonus number 4 will be the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 digital marketing tools from different angles of the business of digital marketing. Whatever you want to do online, you have the tool in this very toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools for you. Affiliate marketing links, affiliate productivity links, all different capabilities you'll be able to have in this. I don't think you will get it anywhere else. Now my bonus number 5 will be how to convert your traffic fast, because one thing is to get the traffic, the other thing is to know how to convert it. And this very bonus tutorial is going to give you high quality conversion mechanisms that will make you actually convert your traffic as fast as possible. And that's about what you have. Like I told you, when you click this link, it will definitely take you to the sales page, where you can use any of the links on the sales page. I'm going to show you one now. If you just stick with me, you will see one that is going to help you. This one, if you click it when you get to the very sales page from the links on my bonus page, it will definitely take you to my Warrior+ account, where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this, which gives you this green button for your purchase of Venus software. And here under it, you have this blue one that gives you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And now let me show you the second page of my bonuses that I have for you, to see if you can just beat anything close to this in anybody's platform. Now here you have a unique latitude. It's called a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits. It's a product that has to do with making money using the NFTs, which is ruling the internet money making way cyberspace right now. And then this very product is going to teach you how to do so with this digital arts and non-fungible tokens. Okay, now my bonus number 2 for this will be Twitex, which helps you crack the Twitter traffic. It's a Chrome extension that will help you get a Chrome bot extension that is going to drive traffic and send messages to Twitter users, which will definitely get you the clicks you need to sell something to make money online. And now my bonus number 3 will be Insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. It was prepared by the best in the market, and you will have it free of charge from me. Insurgency is a software that is still selling today. And then my bonus number 4 will be Lazy Traffic Sniper. This one, it was done by Beatty, General Armstrong, my mentor, and Subham. And of course, you will be able to lazily get traffic from this very tutorial software bot. Okay, now my bonus number 5 for this very page will be JavaScript commission bot, which means you will be able to know how to make 4-figure daily commissions. This is entirely a training course and a bot system software that is going to help you make money online on autopilot. My bonus number 6 will be the lockdown formula, and this is how to start and scale digital marketing business from 0 to tens of thousands on monthly and yearly basis. And this is a lockdown formula, a training course on how to do affiliate marketing or digital marketing from scratch. That's basically what you have. 6 amazing extra bonuses from me, from software and training courses. And with that said, let us now take a proper look at what I have as the dashboard area for this very one. Bonus dashboard area, the members area, the product itself. This is where you have the button for the training, which is where you get trained with how this one works. And this is the button that gives you access to how to make an ebook that you can sell on Kindle. And of course, these are your already made ebooks. And here you have the done for you ebooks, which is what is in some of the upsells that I showed you on the pricing list. And how we have the audio book converter, where you can convert a text to audio using this very machine software here that gives you with this link. And here you have how to download free images and ebook cover maker, promote your audiobook and publish your audiobook. And of course, here you have all the other upgrades that I showed you. It's a very, very simple training course that is going to help you know how to do audiobooks, how you can convert PLI products and actually convert them into audiobooks or normal ebooks that you can sell online on Amazon and make money online. So basically, at your convenience, when you get here, you'll be able to use this training to get acquainted with how this works exactly. Okay, with that said, let us just basically see the very sales page and see what we've got here, which is going to be yours, of course, when you eventually get access to this using any of the links on my bonus page. You'll be able to get access to this very one. Now let us see if we have any kind of bonuses from the vendor, because I know I checked before coming on this review. He has about 5 bonuses for you, and we are going to see exactly what you have there as long as his bonuses for vendor is concerned. So let's just patiently see if we can look at that. I've seen that before. And then see if we can go from there to come to the end of this very review. Yeah, this is it. Free bonus from the vendor number 1, get results in the first 10 minutes. Bonus number 2 will be 3, where they make the bank fast with Venus. And then bonus number 3 will be all our previous apps ever created, 48 of them, I guess. And of course, bonus number 4 will be 2022 cash kit, and bonus number 5 will be how they scale Venus to 10K per month business. Basically, that's what you have from the vendor. Now, let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which you are going to gain access to eventually when you take a look at my own channel. Here are all the bonuses that you have from me, amazing software products and training courses that you will never get anywhere. So if these are incentives to help you patronize my link, I will be very honored that you do so. Now, I will encourage you as we come to the end of this one, okay, to see if we can come to the end of this very one and definitely see what we have here. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment if there is anything, and of course I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye.